Let's talk about something that's becoming more and more common, paying for parking with a quick scan of a QR code. It's super convenient, right? But it's also a technology that criminals are unfortunately starting to use for scams.
Our goal here is really simple. It's not about making you afraid of using your phone to pay for things. It's just about helping you stay aware, stay calm, and ultimately stay safe. Because when you know what to look for, these scams are actually pretty easy to spot.
All right, so how does this scam actually work? To protect yourself, you first have to understand the scammer's playbook. And you know what? It's surprisingly simple, which is exactly why I can catch people when they're not paying attention. Okay, so here it is in 3 simple steps. First, the scammer just prints out a sticker with a fake QR code on it. Then they go to a parking lot and literally just slap it right on top of the real official one. Second, you show up, maybe you're in a bit of a rush, and you scan what looks like the right code. And then third, that scan takes you to a fake payment website that they've set up. And here's where the real damage happens. That fake page looks convincing, so you put in your details. Now, not only does your payment go straight to the scammer, but they also capture your card or UPI information. And that's the real danger, because they can use those details for other fraudulent charges down the line.
And listen, this isn't just a what-if scenario, it's happening right now. For example, police in Pune found a case where scammers had put these fake stickers on official parking boards, and a lot of people were tricked before it was discovered. It just goes to show you how simple and effective this can be for them.
Okay, so that's the problem, but the good news is protecting yourself is also very simple. So let's just walk through a really practical checklist you can use every single time you park your car.
Just think of this as your own little security check you do before you scan any QR code in public. These are really small habits, but trust me, they make a huge difference.
So here we go. First, just take a second to physically look at the QR code. Does it look like a sticker that's been pasted on top of something else? Does it look tampered with? If it feels off, it probably is. Second, if there are any parking attendants around, just ask them to confirm it's the right one. Third, and this one is so important, when your payment app opens, look at the recipient's name before you hit pay. It should say the name of the parking company, not an individual's name. Fourth, if you have any doubt at all, just skip the scan and pay at an official counter. And finally, no matter how you pay, always get a receipt.
But you know, the most important step through all of this is just to slow down. Scammers are counting on you being in a hurry. You're trying to get to an appointment, you're late for a movie, you just want to get it done. The single best thing you can do to protect yourself is to pause. Don't rush. Now, if you only remember one thing from our chat today, please make it this one core rule. It's the key to staying safe from this scam and honestly, from a lot of others too.
Always check before you scan. That's it. It really is that simple. Just a small pause, a quick look, that moment of awareness is your absolute strongest defense.
Look, today's topic is just one of many things we have to navigate. The goal isn't to make you afraid of technology, because QR codes are incredibly useful. The goal is simply to stay informed and to be a little cautious. Awareness is your protection. If you stay alert, you stay safe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay aware, and please share this information with your family and friends. A simple conversation could really help protect someone you care about.